He's saying come.
Yep.
Hold it right there.
Let me get a photo.
That's at the top. Everything.
You got this, Brad.
Looking good. It's all downhill from here. All right, Brad. Brad, give a thumbs up. There we go. All right. Are you like, what the hell did my friend get me into?
No, I'm like, you ride the brake when you come down, okay?
Okay, you got to drive.
You're about to show Mike up.
There we go.
Woo!
Yeah.
Nicely done. That was awesome.
All day, all day. First one up and over the blue tires.
Yep. I'm David with Where2Wheel, and I'll be behind the camera today, and I just want to give a quick shout out to Where2Wheel Stickers. They're name your own price, and the link is in the description below.
I'm Brad. This is my 2011 JK. It's on 35s. It's basically built to climb rocks, so we'll see what we're doing out here today.
All right, let's go wheeling.
Passenger just a little bit. Passenger. Yep, come on up. Alright, come back driver. Yep, that's a good line. Getting ready to hit on the front. Coming down. Drop, back dropping. Yep. Differential is caught on the rear. Back yourself down. Back down a little bit more, hold it right there. When you come up, give yourself a little bit of speed. And turn, driver. Inertia speed, right? So back up and then give yourself speed before you hit the obstacle.
You got to use the weight and the momentum to carry you over.
Yep. That was the right idea, just not enough. Do that one more time. Yep. And remember to turn driver when you come back up.
Sounds good.
Nice and easy. Hold it down.
Yeah.
Let me ask you, I have a technical question.
Sure. So, Mike, come here for a second.
What's the question about?
I told you, you put a Rubicon transmission earlier.
Yeah.
So when I put it forward low,
Yep.
the blockers engage, it just crawls.
Yes.
When I hit the accelerator, or the brake even, the brake doesn't stop it. It just keeps on.
Yeah, because there's a ton of torque
So I have to engage the clutch
to get it to stop.
and the brake to get
Oh,
it
that's
to stop.
interesting,
Is
huh?
that right? I mean,
Yeah, because you've got so much torque going through the drivetrain, the brakes aren't going to hold it back.
the brake definitely does not hold it.
Right.
So I have to clutch and brake to get this thing to stop.
Jeez, that's crazy.
In this environment, with a stick-shift rig, it's way more advanced than somebody that has an automatic. Having to operate with that, it's better on a higher level.
No, with the transmission, it just goes. Like, I don't have to put me in. I don't have to pop the clutch. I use the clutch to disengage.
Full emotion.
All right.
You did the right thing there, because no matter how much forward, or no matter how much torque you have right there, your rear differential is hung up on the tire. Right. So you didn't have enough grip to put it on. All right. Yep. Nice and easy. He had a question about engaging the transfer case and stuff like that. I figured you would answer the job. Good job. Run it up here though. Driver's side's going to drop first. Nope, actually they're coming down at the same time. Coming down. Big splash. Backside coming down. Nice work. These guys.
You ready?
We're coming. We're gonna get there eventually.
Your locker's on?
Turn passenger just a bit. Come on up. Locker's not working in the front. You can back it up and come back forward if you need to try to re-engage the locker.
You got air lockers, right? I'm not hearing the air compressor turned on. So you got to turn your air. There you go.
There it is.
We'll get it figured out. This
Yep.
is what this is here for.
Got it. We got a button for everything.
Go, Gadget.
I want you to go this way.
Wonder who has to hit more, you or the Bronco.
There we go.
Yeah.
Right here. You got stuck right there on that tire.
We're going to head towards the tree, and when the front tires hit the ground, you turn back down.
Dropping down now. Everything still seems to be attached.
This back's about to fall off over here, Wyatt.
That's not falling anywhere.
Okay.
That might be winch time, but
No. I think you can back up a little bit now.
yeah, you could try
We
reverse.
don't want to win.
Why does he back up and then try and go forward, turning hard passenger?
Why would we back up when we have tire on tire right there? And
Oh, we can try. You want?
I mean,
What do you want to try
if they
forward?
want to winch. If they go back, then all it's going to do is make it fall off more this way, because it's going to hit that tire and come down. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Let's see what happens when you try to go forward again. So close, but so far away.
Try going forward and sawing your wheel back and forth a little bit. While your tires are spinning forward, try sawing your wheel back and forth. Give it a little bit of gas.
Do you have any reverse? I mean, you say you don't want it, but you need it.
Ain't no shame.
It's okay if I take this cover off. You ready?
I'm gonna grab my. I got it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna grab my cord.
You can hop out, take a look. Do it.
I'm the only one that had to get winched off backwards, so you're still okay.
What you need help with, Wyatt?
I'm gonna need a soft shackle for this.
Roger that.
It's over here, right?
Yeah, there. You got it, Dennis?
Yeah.
Thank you. You got a bit of a drop.
Brad, what? The red bag group?
Should be sitting on top.
That's a nice winch, that super winch. gonna put the winch bag right back here.
I understand now, though. Especially some work. See that crawl? Oh yeah. Easy there.
About to come off, but yep, a little bit more. Getting ready to fall off. Both tires gonna come off. You're good. Boop. Is he clear of the tree? Nice. He said come.
Yep.
Hold it right there.
Let me get a photo.
At the top. Everything.
You got this, Brad.
Looking good. It's all downhill from here. All right, Brad. Brad, give a thumbs up. There we go. All right. Are you like, what the hell did my friend get me into?
No, I'm like, you drive the brake when you come down, okay?
Okay, you try to drive.
You're about to show Mike up.
There we go.
Woo!
Nicely done.
Nicely done.
Look at that smile.
That was awesome.
First one up and over the blue tires.
Yep.
Hi all, I'm Brittany with Where to Wheel. I'm the one that does a lot of our marketing and I'm behind the camera a lot, so the reels and photos and posts you see are usually me. So I wanted to just give a shout out to check out our Facebook group, W2W Proving Grounds, to come out and come wheeling with us.